What's up guys, it's DK Brown, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the WeMo light switch. The WeMo light switch is a Wi-Fi enabled light switch that can be controlled via the WeMo app on Android or iOS to perform things such as setting the light switch to automatically turn on at sunset and off at sunrise, or any scheduled time you set up. One cool feature is the ability to turn the light switch on or off no matter where you are. I find this helpful for the times when I've forgotten. If I've turned off the lights when I leave for work, this allows me to check the app and see if the power logo is green for being on. And if that's the case, with one touch I can turn it off. It is very easily installed to replace any standard single pole light switch, and in the description below I will provide the link to the Belkin instructional video. Now to open the box. You'll find a welcome message, a quick installation guide that explains its compatibility and how to check your Wi-Fi strength, because that's what it will be connected to. Here's the step-by-step instructions for installing the new switch, which is pretty simple. Turn off the power to the switch you are replacing, remove the old switch, and install the new WeMo switch. Turn the power back on and download the WeMo app, and in your device's settings, connect your Wi-Fi to the WeMo network and go back and launch the WeMo app to complete the setup. Here we have the screwless wall plate and the switch itself and everything needed to connect the wires to your home's electrical wires. Now thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the like button down below.